Hey, what's up mga kaninja? My name is Wayne and thank you for tuning in into my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for a future update. Our topic for today is all about data type. Sa program, ang uri ng data ay isang mahalagang konsepto. Ang mga variable ay maaring mag-imbak ng data ng iba't ibang mga uri at sa bawat mga uri ay maaring gumawa ng iba't ibang mga bagay. Ang Python ay may mga sumusunod na uri ng data na built-in bilang default sa mga kategoryang ito. Una sa listahan, text type, str or string. Next, numeric type, int, float, and complex. Sequence type, list, tuple, and range. Mapping type, dict or dictionary. Set types, set, frozen set. Next, Boolean type or bool. Next, binary type, byte, byte array, memory view. Those are the keywords that we can use in Python. Open your VS Code. This tutorial is we are going to do kung paano i-use to identify the variable o kung ano siyang data types. So first, gagawa ko ng variable which is a is equal to Pinoy Ninja Coder. Tapos i-print natin dito a is equal to print natin si a, tapos dito na portion is type I will going to use type. Si type is a reserved keyword or built-in function ni Python. So here i-add ko dito yung variable natin. So, ma-identify niya kung anong klase yung A na variable na gagamitin natin. So, click the green button to run. Then, wait for the process. And, yes, the output is Pinoy Ninja Coder. At nag-identify siya na string ang ginamit natin. So, next, gagawa tayo ng iba pang data type. A is equal to 20. Tapos i-print natin si A. And then print to identify kung anong type si 20. Here type. Tapos A. Then run. Yun, int si 20. Tapos try pa natin. A is equal to 20.3. Print A. Yan. Tapos print yan, type. Okay, then save, then run back. Yun, float. Tapos try pa natin. A is equal to 200. Tapos J. J is imaginary, which is some functions or data types. Tinatawag po siyang complex. So, try natin if mag-identify ba si type. So, print natin si A, tapos dito ilalagay natin si type. Here, type. Tapos, variable natin. Huwag kalimutan syempre. Then, run. Yun, complex. Kapag lalagay natin iba, hindi si J, like S or A, yan, pansin nyo wala the same color lang. So, try natin. So mag-output pa siya. Yun, error. Line 13, which is here. Syntax error, meaning J lang talaga yung lalagay natin dito for just a function. So yun, hindi na siya nag-error. So next na gagawin natin is type of sequence. So first gagawa ako ng variable which is pagkain is equal to isaw, tapos chicharon, tapos hamon, and we are going to print our variable here pagkain. Then i-identify natin kung anong uri siya. So type serve keyword, then declare natin ang pagkain na variable, then save, then run this button, then please wait for the process. So here, list yung uri ng ating variable which is ang pagkain. So list is a very versatile in Python. Kaya natin i-modify kung ano yung gagawin natin kay list. Tapos wag po kayong malito between tuples, list, sets, because here square bracket po si list. Kapag si tuples is gawan lang, i-change natin ng open parenthesis at close parenthesis, then save, it will be converted as a tuples. Right here, tuples. Kasi disadvantage of tuples is once naka-declare na siya, hindi na natin pwedeng i-modify kung ano yung gagawin natin. Okay? Then next, erase ko lang to. Gagawa tayo ng another variable which is a is equal to range. Range is a reserved keywords in a Python. So 0 and 5. Okay, then print and call natin si a, tapos identify kung anong uring na variable siya. Then type, then declare si a, then save, then boom, it's range. Ang gagawin natin dito is create another variable. So create ko is pagkain, yung variable natin. Pagkain is equal to isaw, tapos chicharon, and then hamon. Then we are going to print our pagkain. Then we are going to identify kung anong klaseng variable si pagkain. Then use the type which is reserved keyword, a built-in function in Python. Then we are going to declare our pagkain. Then oops, merong mix. And also save, then run this green button and wait for the process. And okay, so we got the result which is set. So then set is very versatile. It comes with pwede natin i-modify anytime yung anong gusto natin. Then we are going to use another reserved keywords, frozen set, ito, and then we're going to add here open parenthesis and put here close parenthesis. Actually, ang kaibahan lang nito is si set is very versatile and anytime pwede natin mag-modify. Si frozen set is kabaliktaran ni set kasi immutable siya, meaning hindi natin pwede galawin once na-declare na. Okay? And save. And expected natin yan is frozen set. Tapos hindi na yan pwede natin galawin, mag-error na yan kasi na-declare na natin siya. Okay? So we are going to do another step. I will create the same variable. So pagkain. And then is equal to name. And then ninja. Also age. Then 37. And we could also make it int here, or not just string. So i-print natin si pagkain, print yan, pagkain here. Tapos i-identify natin kung anong variable si pagkain. So we're going to use serve keyword type, then call the pagkain, and then save, then click this green button to run, and please wait for the process. And now it's processing, and we got the result, which is dictionary. So here I want i-clear ko lang kung anong purpose dito. Itong name is value, then si ninja, which is yung key. The same with here na si value ang age, tapos yung key is the 27. Okay? Then next, create ako ng a, which is our variable. This will be going to a Boolean expression. Sa Python is very straightforward lang ang Boolean. We're going to type true, which is built-in function. Then i-print natin si a. Yan. Tapos para mapatunayan natin na totoo na Boolean expression talaga, we are going to type again the reserved keyword, which is type, inside the open parenthesis, and going to call the a, which is our function. What I mean, yung variable natin si a. Then run this again, and we got the result, which is bool. And if we want na false, just type false, then save, then click again, then again. So we get the same result. So, ang gagawin natin dito is mag-create ako ng another variable. A is equal B, and ninja, then print natin si ninja, which is call natin yung a, tapos we are going to identify kung anong variable siya, then put natin dyan, then save, then run this again, then please wait for the process, and then we got our result, which is bytes. So ito yung gagamitin natin na for assigning bytes. What if we change natin going to s? So obviously an ating idea for showing some error or like this. So it's not defined python strip, a defined variable. So obviously na error yan. So even try lang natin. So yun, error line 1. So hindi talaga natin pwedeng ma-replace yung letter V because yun yung reserved keyword default ni Python, which is usaping bytes. Okay? Then next, di ko na lang i-erase yan. Gawa pa tayo na another variable which is a again. Then we going to create a byte array. Yan, byte array. Tapos bali yung count niya is until 5. Yan. Then tapos print natin si A. Tapos we should identify kung anong type yan. Yan. Tapos here declare natin, then run this back and just wait for the process. Yun. Okay, so byte array yung display natin dito. Tapos yung count nya is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kasi count natin dito 5. Then we use this reserved keyword na byte array. So, na-identify niya is byte array talaga siya. Then next, we are going to try memory view. Tapos parenthesis, then parenthesis again. Type natin bytes. Tapos inside ng bytes, meron tayong 5. So, magka-count siya ng 5. So, try na lang natin dyan. Tapos, yung A i-call. Tapos, i-identify natin kung memory view talaga siya. Here, type. Yan. Tapos, i-call natin si A. Then, save. Then, click this again. For yan. So, memory view, tapos located siya sa 00, yung 5, 1, E3, 8, 4, 6, 4, 6, DC0. Those are because of memory view. Tapos inside niya si bytes, nag-count siya na 00, 50. Tapos located yung memories for this area. I hope that you learn something. Ang view ko lang dito is yung easy to get tutorial, which is direct to the point. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for future update, and see you in my next video.